हम डिपार्चर की डिस्कस कर रहे थे, वो लास्ट वीडियो मेरी इंटरप्ट हो गई थी, तो मैं उसके आगे ही कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ। डिपार्चर स्टेज, द गेस्ट सर्विस एंड द guest once the guest has checked out, the front office updates the room availability status and notifies the housekeeping department. At the time of departure, basically front office department has to coordinate with the housekeeping department on updating the room's availability status, and this will help in the housekeeping department to work in more efficient manner, as well as the front office department to book more rooms with the current information, and updating the system will provide them correct data for doing more business accordingly. And the last stage of the guest cycle is after departure. After departure, after all procedure is completed, the front office assistant should create a update guest history card for room status for occupied to occupant status on the system. This will help the housekeeping department for cleaning the room as soon as possible. After checkout the guest, the front office staff should call or send a mail to the guest regarding his guest or his stay in the hotel. It is very important for front office department to take feedback from their customers, as they are valuable customers. Then you have the responsibility to take the feedbacks, how they stayed at your hotel and how was their experience staying at your hotel. This will help you in taking further decisions and helps you to overcome your opportunities areas and to correct and fix those opportunities and turn your customers into potential customers. This is the main thing that you need to follow at the time of guest cycle. At every stage of guest cycle, the guest has to be given importance. Importance, that means you need to pay extra attention at every guest queries and their request regarding their likes and dislikes during their stay. Whatever the facilities they are asking for, you need to adhere their guidelines and provide the same to them, and provide on timely basis. That is more important, the services to be provided to the guest on timely basis. Then only the guest will rely on your services and will come back and will give you a repeat business to your hotel. And with this we have done with the unit 2 revision for the unit 2, and we will continue further with the unit 3, that is reservations. Reservations we have already discussed that it is a pre-arrival activity where the front office department need to take information from the guest that what type of room they are willing to have in future for the stay in their hotel, and the other formalities and other information has to be taken and to be recorded in the PMS systems, as well as manually they have to record for future references. Reservation procedures varies depending on the size and the brand of the hotel and the reservation systems employed. Prior reservation, guest satisfaction, the front office manager, scheduling of staff, less work the front office, reduced chances of losing up a reservation, easily gathered data, and simpler administration rewards. These are the things which the reservation systems has given the importance on prior reservations and some reservations during the guest cycles. These are the reservations which the hotel is maintaining during the guest cycle. And there are different modes and sources of reservations that are available in the market, and some of the sources we have mentioned earlier and we will discuss further is FIT, that is free individual traveler, or you can also say free independent travelers. Then we have DFIT, is domestic free individual travelers, that comes from our country only. Then another source of reservation is FFIT, that is foreign free individual travelers, those are foreigners guests. And then There are some company corporates from where we are getting businesses for our hotels, and some government officials are also giving us business in hotels. And central reservation systems we have discussed earlier also. This is the system in every hotel. It is mandatory to maintain a central reservation systems to maintain and to handle their booking pace in very organized manner, and to give the best experience to their customers. These all sources of reservations helps the hotel to run their business in more efficient and effective way and effective manner. Then we have modes of reservations. We have written mode of reservations and we have verbal mode of reservations. You can take reservations by these two modes only, and we will further continue in our next class. This is the revision we have done till yet, and we will continue with modes of reservation in next class, and we will complete this and we will move ahead to the next chapter, that is arrivals, during the arrivals of the guest. Thank you.